Hi everyone! Thank you for being here today in my YouTube channel. Today I will explain to you what is quadrilaterals and why we called it quadrilaterals. So what can you imagine when you heard the word quadrilaterals? Today I will explain to you what is quadrilaterals and why we called it quadrilaterals. So what can you imagine when you heard the word quadrilaterals? When we say quadrilaterals, it has 4 sides and 4 angles. Quad, it means 4. And lateral just simply means side. You know, we can encounter quadrilaterals in our everyday life. Like for example, in our home, its table, the windows, the door, we can consider it as a quadrilaterals because it has 4 sides and 4 angles. As what I have said a while ago, quadrilaterals has 4 sides and 4 angles. At this moment, I will give to you the full definition of quadrilaterals. In geometry, it can be defined as a closed two-dimensional shape which has 4 straight sides. The polygon has 4 vertices or corners. When we say polygon, it is a closed figure where the sides are all line segments. So we can find a shape of quadrilaterals in various things around us. Like for example, the chessboard, kites, signboard, a tub of popcorn, kites, and many more. The quadrilaterals, it has a family. The family of quadrilaterals includes parallelogram, number 2 rhombus, number 3 rectangle, number 4 kites, number 5 square, and last is trapezoid. So I chose only 3 figures from the family of quadrilaterals, which are rectangle, square, and parallelogram. I will explain its classification and properties. First figure is rectangle. So rectangle is a quadrilateral with 4 right angles. We have 3 properties of a rectangle. First, all the angles of a rectangle are 90 degrees. The angles are angle F, angle I, angle E, and last is angle N. Number 2 figure of a rectangle is opposite side of a rectangle are equal and parallel. Like for example, side FI is parallel to side EN. And the side of FE is parallel to IN. When we say parallel, it is a lines having the same distance continuously between them. The length of side FI is 10, the side of E and the length is 10 also. Then if the length of the side of FE is 5, the length of the side IN is 5. So the length of side FI and the side E and the length is the same because it is parallel. And also if the side FE and the side I and the length is 5 because it is parallel. Number 3 property, diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other. Like this one. Line F N is bisect to the line AI. When we say bisect, it divides into two parts. The second figure is square. Square is a quadrilateral with 4 equal angles and 4 equal sides. We have 3 properties of a square. So number 1 is all angles of a square are 90 degrees. The angles are angle C, angle U, angle E, and last is angle T. Example, if the length of side CU is 8, it's the same with the side of TE. And the side of UE is 8 also, and side of CT 8 also, because it is equal and parallel to each other. Number 2 property of a square, all sides are equal and parallel to each other. Example, if the length of side CU is 8, it's the same with the side of TE. And the side of UE is 8 also, and side of CT 8 also, because it is equal and parallel to each other. Number 3 property of a square, diagonals are bisect each other perpendicularly. Like this one. Line TU bisect the line CE. So now when we say perpendicular, it is two lines which meet at a right angle. The right angle is 90 degree. The third figure is parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. We have 5 properties for this figure. First, opposite sides are parallel. Like for example, side BL is parallel to side RU. And side BR is parallel to side LU. If the length of the side BL is 12, it's the same with the length of the side RU. And if the side of BR, the length is 8, it's the same with the length of LU. Number 2 property of a parallelogram, opposite sides are congruent. So when we say congruent, it's have the same exact length. Like this one. Side BL is 12. Then it is congruent to side RU. Side BL is congruent to side RU. And the side of BR is congruent to side LU. Number 3 property, opposite angles are congruent. So, angle B is congruent to angle U. And angle L is congruent to angle R. Number 4 property of a parallelogram, diagonals are bisect each other. Like for this one. Line BU is bisect the line RL. When we say consecutive angles, it is an angles that follow each other in a sequence. 2 angles called supplementary when their measures add up to 180 degrees. So as what I have said a while ago, consecutive angles are supplementary. So like this one, if the angle B is 70 degree and the angle L is 110 degree. So if we add the angle B and angle L is equals to 180 degrees because the angle B is the measurement 70 degree and the angle L, the measurement is 110 degree. So if we add these two measurements, it is equals to 180 degrees. Number 5 property of a parallelogram, any pair of consecutive angles are supplementary. That would be all for today, and thank you.